called the great outdoors, and all of us who go there know it's more than just trees and water and sky. It's a place where memories are forged along winding trails and over crackling campfires, where a day in the field stays with us long after we return home, where the open spaces and never-ending sky brings us closer together than four walls could ever imagine. It's a place with many opportunities, and most of them are improved with Zippo Outdoor. Whether turning to the 4-in-1 Woodsman to make camp, exceeding dinner expectations with the all-terrain grill, or lighting the way back to the tent with a rugged lantern, Zippo Outdoor is an important part of the time we spend outdoors. The great outdoors is already great, but Zippo Outdoor makes the great outdoors greater.